to my channel. So today's going to be a short video, but basically it's going to be how I upcycled my Ikea Bias TV bench. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but basically when I moved I had a particular idea of colour scheme that I wanted for the house, and my TV unit didn't go with it, and I couldn't find one that would actually go with it, so I decided to DIY my own. So I thought I'd share it with you guys, because actually I think it only cost me about £30 at the most to upcycle the whole thing, and I think it looks really nice. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I did it, so let's get into the video. So first I got the Capita legs from Ikea, and I think they're like £5 a packet each, and there's like 4 of them in there, and I got a screwdriver and I just literally indented where I wanted the holes to be on the base of the TV unit. In this video I'm actually doing it on the Alex drawers, because I didn't take footage of me doing it on the TV unit because I'm an idiot, but it's the same thing. So yeah, I'm just drilling in the holes where I indented those spaces. I will be uploading a longer video on Wednesday, guys, so please bear with me, but I thought I'd give you a little sweet one just to season. No, I don't know the saying. I can't think of a saying that will go with it, but yeah, you know what I mean. So now I've just checked to see that the holes have lined up with where I'm drilling as I'm drilling, just to make sure I don't make any mistakes, because I am prone to making mistakes. And I've got the screws that came with it, and I've just screwed them in, and now I've attached the actual leg to the leg base, if that makes sense. You have to be careful when when you're lifting it up to like stand on its legs. Be really careful, because it can break quite easily. So like if you've got another person, I would highly recommend that. I had the help of Jessie, so yes. Right, so the legs are all on now, and next I decided to add drawer handles. These drawer handles I actually got from TK Maxx, and I think they were £3.99 for a pack of 4, and I've actually used my DVD cases, right, to work out where the middle was, because I couldn't find measuring tape and I couldn't be bothered, so I just used, you know, my eye, and it turned out alright, guys. I wouldn't necessarily say take this risk, because I was lucky it didn't turn out wonky, but yeah, this was my technique for measuring the middle. Yeah, and so yeah, I measured the middle and I literally drilled a hole right through. I had a bit of a difficult time with it, because the jaw handle bit, the bit that goes in was bigger than my hole, so I had to like try and widen the hole, and I just didn't have a bigger drill bit. So yes, I'm not a builder, guys, so you know, that's just how it is. Yeah, this is me struggling to get it in. Yeah, so I just got a screwdriver that was a bit bigger, and I just kind of forced a hole bigger. Wouldn't really recommend that that's the proper way you do things, but you know, this is how I did it and it worked, so so yeah, I'm just shoving it in. Do you know what I find so funny? Other people's videos are like so informative and they show you how to do it properly, and me, it's always just like but this is what I did in it, so I'm just keeping it real. Yeah, so ta-da, the screw was on. So the last 2 things that I had done, I actually had a spare LED strip that I had lying around, and I decided to cut it and stick it with super glue to the bottom of the top of the TV stand. You can see where I've stuck it, and I've just threaded the wire through the back and connected it up to where the TV connects up to the wall. Oh my gosh. And then the last thing I did, as you can see, there's like marble contact paper on the shelf. I actually got this idea from Elle Darby, so I'll link her video down below, because she actually shows how you do it, and I did a really crappy version anyway. There's quite a few bumps in mine, but anyhow, yeah, so I just got marble contact paper, I took out the shelf and put it on the shelf, put it back in, then I added some candles, and then when you turn on the light, it looks like there's a little display area of candles, so yeah. But yeah, so this is how I upcycled the TV bench. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it gives you guys some inspiration on how you can upcycle furniture that you already have at home and stuff like that, and I shall see you in my next video, and I love you guys so much. Bye!